Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Neil from Logan, and today we are going to do an art activity. We are going to create something for Father's Day. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, these are the materials that we're going to make. We need some Play-Doh. Remember the video that we have of making Play-Doh? Well, you save some of that Play-Doh for our activity. And we also need some sticks, popsicle sticks. If you don't have sticks, you can use 2 pencils. 2 pencils will be okay. And you can use pipe cleaners to decorate your sticks later. We also might need some tape or glue if you have some glue. And markers. We need markers also. All right. I'm going to show you what we're going to make. We are going to make this. Do you know what this is? It's a cell phone holder. See, I have my phone. I'm going to put it right there in the front. And it stands straight. It's a cell phone holder for your daddies. Are you ready to make it? Yes? Okay. I'll show you how. We're going to start with this ball of Play-Doh. First, we need to turn it into a shape just like this one. That looks like an oval. So I'm going to smash it with the palm of my hand. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Don't make it too flat, okay? Ooh, if it cracks like that, that's easy to fix. You just press it together. Now turn it, make your oval a little bit nicer, and then that seems good. Now you're going to get your sticks. Now the sticks, I decorated them. I colored one side. I also put some paper that I cut up into a nice shape and put some colors on it. You can do that too. I'm going to stick it here. 1. You see how I stuck it right there? All the way down, but don't make sure it doesn't go through, okay? And then get your other one and you stick it not too close, maybe 1, 2 on the 3rd side, just right there. See, it didn't go through. If you don't have popsicle sticks and you're using pencils, you're going to do the same thing. You get the rubber end and you poke it down, okay? The good thing about using the pencil is later on, this can also be like a pencil holder. That's a good idea. So let's put our sticks in right there. And then on the front end, you're going to make an indentation. That means you're going to press down with your finger. Oopsie, that one broke off. Press down, all the way down, all the way through, to make sure that that's where the cell phone will rest. Oopsie. You can also do it like this. And just gather all the Play-Doh. This will act as a barrier to hold the cell phone in place so it doesn't slide down. Okay? Let's see if the cell phone will fit. Oh, it fits. I can't let go of the cell phone yet because the Play-Doh isn't hard. So the sticks are not yet as strong as this one. See, that one is strong now. So you make sure that you have your Play-Doh all set up like that. You can make different shapes if you want to make a square, a rectangle, a star. As long as you have that indentation with this barrier where the phone will rest and you have your sticks to keep your phone upright. Okay? Now we have to make sure that the Play-Doh becomes hard. And how can we harden this Play-Doh? What's the easiest way to do it? You're right. Take it outside and make sure that it stays underneath the sun's rays. If it stays under the sun, it's gonna dry up in no time. That's better than using the oven or something. Do you want to come with me? We're going to take it outside, okay? Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, well, before we do that, make sure you put your creation on a plate or a cardboard so that the bottom doesn't get dirty, okay? Alrighty, here you go. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna take it outside. Take it outside and just put it on the sun. The sun, right there. Do you see it? Now, let's go back inside. And I'm going to show you. Once it's dry, it takes about a day or so under the sun. Make sure that the bottom is all dry as well. Oh, this one poked through. Now, when it's dry, you can paint it. You can decorate it with stickers. You can even write on it with a permanent marker. And then, if you want, you can use your pipe cleaners. Where are my pipe cleaners? And you can even decorate it. You can lace the pipe cleaners through. Right here. You tie it. And then you can braid it around. Oopsie. You can do whatever you want with this. Pipe cleaners. There you go. You see? You can choose whatever color your daddy likes. And just lace it through. And then tie it. And there you go. You got your cell phone holder. Ta-da! Isn't that great? Did you like it? It's very nice, right? I hope you enjoyed our art activity today. See? You can make this for your daddy or for your mommy or for whoever you want. It's a great idea. If you want to make it bigger, you can just use more Play-Doh and make it bigger. I hope you had fun. I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.